Hello and ciao, welcome to World on My Plate with me, Chef Harsh. Today I'm going to be taking you on an amazing journey to Italy, and we're going to be having the most delicious, simple vanilla panna cotta. Okay, and we're going to dress that up with some nice strawberries, a little bit of jam. So let's get started right away. So the first thing that we're going to do is set our milk and our gelatin. So we have 60 mils of milk and 7 grams of gelatin. So what you want to do is you want to sprinkle it over the top in a single layer. Okay, you don't want to clump it all up in one place because then it's just going to create a big lump and it's never going to set properly. Okay, so now while our milk and gelatin is setting for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to heat up our cream, sugar, and vanilla. Now over here we are using heavy cream, which is at least 30% fat. Fresh cream will not work for this recipe at all. So what we want is to get the sugar completely dissolved in our cream and vanilla mixture. And once that is dissolved, we are going to add in our milk and gelatin. Now we're going to remove this from the heat and we're going to add in our milk and gelatin mixture. And we're going to keep on stirring, keep on whisking until all of the gelatin is completely dissolved. We don't want any little bits of gelatin left in their grainy form, because later on that's going to create a very strange texture in the panna cotta. Our gelatin is fully dissolved. I can't see any more grains of gelatin anywhere, so that means that our texture is going to be perfect. And all we're going to do now is pour this into our molds. So now all that's left to do is pop this in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours, and it's gonna set into these beautifully jiggly panna cottas. Now it's time to demold our panna cotta. So very carefully push it out of the mold. So here you go guys, our panna cotta is ready. It looks amazing with beautiful red and green colors, and of course the trademark panna cotta jiggle, and that looks fantastic. So there you have it guys, Italy on my plate. Now as you just saw, this is a very easy recipe with just a handful of ingredients. So for more recipes like this, make sure to like and follow Times Now Foodie on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.